Welcome to Study Loop.
I'm told a ball is thrown straight down from the top of an 800-foot building. So S sub 0, my initial height, is 800 feet. And I'm told that the initial velocity, so v sub 0, is negative 20 feet per second. So I want the position function. My position function is going to be negative 16t squared. That negative 16 is acceleration due to gravity on Earth when your measures are in feet, minus 20t plus 800. The velocity function is the derivative of position, so that is going to be negative 32t minus 20. Now in B, I want average velocity on the interval 1 to 3. So what that means for average velocity is I want S of 3 minus S of 1 over 3 minus 1. So I'm just going to real quick put that function into my calculator. The position function, that is. And I'm going to get these values. So S of 3 is 596. S of 1 is 764 over 2, 3 minus 1. 596 minus 764 is negative 168 over 2. That's going to give me average velocity of negative 84 feet per second. Now I want the instantaneous velocities. Instantaneous velocity means I want to use my velocity function. So I'm going to find the velocity at 1 second and the velocity at 3 seconds. This time you're using the velocity function. Okay, so negative 32 minus 20, that's negative 52 feet per second. Negative 32 times 3 minus 20 is negative 116 feet per second. I want the time required to reach the ground. So for part D, I'm going to set my position function equal to 0. I'm going to pull off A, B, and C and use that quadratic formula. So opposite of B plus or minus B squared minus 4AC, the whole thing over 2A. And then I'm just going to use my calculator to figure that out. Or you can use a quadratic formula app. A is negative 16, B is negative 20, and C is positive 800. So you are going to get two time values. You're going to get negative 7.724 and 6.474. We're going to eliminate that negative as extraneous. And we are going to take time of 6.474 seconds. That's how long it's going to take to reach the ground. Now we want the velocity of the ball at impact. Okay, so again, back to the velocity function, which is negative 32t minus 20, but we're going to put in 6.474. So let's do that. negative 32 times 6.474 minus 20 is going to give me negative 227.2 feet per second. And that's my last answer.